Hello everyone, welcome in your English online class. Yes, students, we are going to continue your exercises given in Bravia. So, here we are to do exercise number 14.1 of the topic conjunction. In this exercise, we are having sentences along with the options, and we have to choose the correct one according to the sentence. So let us proceed. At first place we are having Natasha works hard dash her sister is lazy. Here we are seeing contrast between Natasha and her sister. One person works hard and the other one is lazy. So contrast is here. We will go with the conjunction but. You will write here the conjunction but. At next dash he is poor, he is contented. We see that we are having dash at the first place. So we will go with the conjunction though. Though means yadhapi. Though he is poor, he is contented. At number 3, I trust her dash, she always speaks the truth. I trust her. मैं उस पर विश्वास करती हूँ. What's the reason? We are having the reason to keep or to do trust on someone. That she always speaks the truth. So whenever we are having reason, we will go with the conjunction because. I trust her because she always speaks the truth. Next is wait for me dash I return. Wait for me till I return. You will write the conjunction till here. Okay. Next is I rang the bell dash no one answered. I rang the bell but no one answered. मैंने घंटी बजाई थी लेकिन किसी ने आंसर नहीं दिया था. बट नो वन आंसर्ड. ही फेल्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन डैश ही डिड नॉट वर्क हार्ड. ही फेल्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. वो एग्जामिनेशन में फेल हो गया था. वॉट वॉज द रीज़न? दैट ही डिडंट वर्क हार्ड. सो अगेन वी आर हैविंग रीज़न हेयर. सो वी विल गो विद द कंजंक्शन because will come here. At number 7, you must not tell lies dash your mother will punish you. Here you are having choice to tell lie or to get punishment. So you shouldn't tell lie dash your mother will punish you. Here we are having choice whether to tell lie or not or to get punishment. So we will go with the conjunction or. You must not tell lies or your mother will punish you. At number 8, we are having don't go there dash you are called. वहाँ नहीं जाओ जब तक कि तुम्हें बुलाया जाए. You don't go there unless you are called. So we will write here conjunction unless. Don't go there unless you are called. Next is Rita your sister dash your cousin? Now we are having choice between sister and cousin. Who is Rita to you, sister or cousin? So we will go with the conjunction or here. Next is I am going to Kolkata dash my brother is going to Chennai. मैं कोलकाता जा रहा हूँ लेकिन मेरा भाई चेन्नई जा रहा है. So we will go with the conjunction but here. But my brother is going to Chennai. Next is dash he was an industrious worker. I encouraged him. It means जैसे कि वो एक industrious means बहुत मेहनती वर्कर है. I encouraged him. मैं उसे प्रोत्साहित करता हूँ. So as जैसा कि as means जैसे कि वो एक बहुत मेहनती वर्कर है. He was वर्कर था. He was an industrious worker. Next is you will get late dash you hurry to the meeting. You will get late. तुम्हें देर हो जाएगी जब तक कि तुम मीटिंग के लिए जल्दी नहीं करते. Unless you hurry to the meeting. Unless you will mark the conjunction unless here. I hope students that the conjunctions we have done till now are quite clear to you. Let's proceed on the next page. At number 13 we are having you must be tired dash you have walked such a long distance. You must be tired, तुम अवश्य ही थक गए होंगे, डैश यू हैव वॉक्ड सच अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, जैसा कि तुमने बहुत लंबी यात्रा की है. Here we will go with the conjunction since. Students, always remember that since also gives us the meaning of because. Since, here also we are having reasoning. You must be tired since. तुम थक गए होंगे जैसा कि तुमने बहुत लंबी यात्रा की है. Next is not dash I loved Caesar less but that I loved Rome more. Not that. ऐसा नहीं है, not that, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सीज़र से कम प्यार करती हूँ, but that, लेकिन ऐसा है I loved Rome more, कि मैं रोम से ज़्यादा प्यार करती थी. It means it is the quotation from a novel. Next is I am in the right but, मैं कहता है कि मैं ठीक रास्ते पर हूँ, but you are in the wrong, लेकिन आप गलत हो. I am stronger dash you. Here we are seeing that comparison is made. I am stronger than you. I am stronger than you. He may do dash he likes. He may do what he likes. वो जैसा चाहता है कर सकता है. He is so old dash he cannot walk. He is so old that he cannot walk. वो इतने बूढ़े हैं कि वो चल नहीं सकते हैं. You must help him dash he is in trouble. Of course we are having reasoning here, because he is in trouble. You must help him because he is in trouble. At number 20 we are having dash I reached home she was not there. जब मैं घर पहुंची तो वो घर पर नहीं था. When I reached home she was not there. वो घर पर नहीं थी. Here she is applied here. So I hope students that this exercise is clear to you. Just try to do it by your own along with the reasoning. It will give you a clear picture of the conjunctions. Keep on watching students. Thank you. Good.